What's up people, welcome back Superboat channel on YouTube. So today we just came to Marzana Island, which is located in Dammam and that's in Saudi Arabia. So we just came over here like to spend our time during, and we got stuff, and that's me.
And some boats went there.
I think some boats even went, like that's the boat coast over there. Like it looks like some boat coast over there, and we can even go in a ride.
Like the rocks are crystal clear.
No, the rocks are like, you know what, it's
Gold.
like gold.
And the water, look at the water, so crystal clear.
But we could not take it because that's really dark at night, and I even put the flash on so that you guys can all see too well. And now I think we are going to
shoes, two shoes.
Okay, leave it about that. Okay, see, now we are going to go to that main area, and after we go to the main area, you guys can even see the tower over there.
Hey, you know what to go.
No, you guys even can see the tower over there. We'll be going and showing you guys, and you know what to do. Let's go right into it. Welcome back. So today we are right now in the main island. I showed you guys that pathway over there, and then this is like all the shelter remaining over here. Like there are many shelters, so they're scattered, and I'm going to show you guys this shelter because this is a little bit, doesn't look that hygiene. Of course, it's really dirty. The paint, all the stuff, that's really dirty. So I'm not going to sit over there right now. What am I going to do is that my hair is little not adjusted for this vlog. I could not wear some cap or something like that. So I'm going to go to that tower right now. I think, yeah, this tower. It's literally over there. See that tower, what you guys can see. See that one. That behind that dome kind of thing, behind that one. That one. So now we are going to go over there. I think after we go over there, I could not, like, Stav was really tired, so he could not attend this. He was sitting somewhere, he was also like going somewhere and sitting. So after I go over there, I'll be showing you guys, and I think let's go right into it. Ooh. So guys, I just came to the dome area. It was like, before it used to be like a hotel kind of thing. Right now it's closed due to the COVID-19. So right now the tower is literally near us, guys. It's literally near us. This is the tower, what I was saying about. This is the tower, and we could even go through the entrance. Let us go and check. Is it like available or not? Actually, it's like available means like it's not available due to this COVID-19, of course. I'm like going to check now. Let's go and check it. I think after I go and check it, let's check it, of course. This was the gate or something like this. This is like the stairways. Goes. And over here also we could have gone, but there used to be a ticket counter, but now it's like closed. We could have gone till there. So this is the tower located over here, guys, and I could not see anything else better than this. It's still there. I like it a lot. That's the entrance where we go, and then we go. It's like a big one. Starts over here and it takes a full circle, like full circle. So guys, I think I'm going to next show you guys my hair is a little uncomfortable over here. So of course I'm going to show you guys the next thing, which is the boat riding. Like the boat riding, I'm not going to go in the boat. Let us just like go and check it, of course. Before we go, I'll be showing you guys the shops and all those stuff, and I think that's it. And after this, I'll be showing you guys the boat. So let's go right into it. So guys, as I said you guys earlier, that I'll be showing you guys the coastal line, like this part. It looks like a U shape actually. Goes like this and goes like that. And that place is called the Dolphin Village. There will be like dolphins, and that's a boat going over there, and it connects to that corner. Now I'm going to go and show you guys that one. And that's the Dolphin Village, and then goes like that, and that comes like this. The lane goes like this again. Like it's like a U necklace actually. So it looks like literally like a U necklace. So it looks like a U. You can call it like U neck or U necklace, like that. And that's like the remaining part over there. It's the buildings and all the stuff. But this part is called the Downford Village, as I said you guys earlier. And now I'm gonna go to the coastal, like the boat area. I'm going to show you guys the boat area, and let's go right into it. Guys, I just came over here. Like this is like the Dream Boat Services, something like that. And the boats are all like stacked, and that's a huge boat, and that one is like a, what do you call that? Like you can even eat in that boat, like the brown boat, and all the stuff. And this is like the mini boat, and that's like a medium boat. All these boats are really cool. I think so maybe we can go too. So when we go, I'll be even showing you that clips and all the stuff. So I think after we go in the boat, or I'll be showing you as many things like the shops and all those stuff. And should I like, I think we'll be going, I think it's most probably. So let us go. I'll try to go, or else I'll be capturing some other clips. So okay, let's go right into it. So guys, we could not go to the boat riding because there were many people. That was really crowded, and I don't want to go in that situation. But I did want to show you guys the shops available over there and all those surrounding places. So I'm enjoying and showing you guys. Just see it. So guys, we are in the way back home, and there are many people like fishing and all those stuff. And just wanted to take a video about the surroundings and all those stuff, like the area. Like we are passing in the middle, two sides water. It's going to be the best view ever. And I'll be that in the left side, as you guys can see, that's a resort, and that's a beautiful resort. And then people are going and coming, and I'll be showing you guys where people are even like sitting, and they are like enjoying with their family members and all the stuff. That's going to come soon. Wait a second, let me zoom it. 1 2 3. Yeah, that in the left side is the same. This is the Dolphin Village, and in the right side, now I'm going to zoom it, and that is the people where they are enjoying the view. And after I go back home, I'll be seeing you guys. Oh, so guys, we just came back from the island last night, and we were really tired, so we even got stuff. And he was really tired, and I could not attend the boat. I did not show you guys boat because it was really crowded over there, and I don't want to go in a crowded situation. So that
I didn't even see.
Yeah, he did not even come with me actually. So I just went all over, and I just took all the content for you guys to see. And make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the post notification, smash a like button, and share it to your friends, relatives, and all your known guys. And see you guys
in the next.
And see you guys in the next upcoming vlogs. I'll be posting. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Super Bros, and see you guys in the next vlog.